Hello, I'm going to be updating my riff number 3 tutorial for Oye Como Va, and this is mostly because I've recently revisited Oye Como Va and taken some close looks at how Santana did it at Tanglewood in 1970, and I want to talk about a transition between riff number 2 and number 3 and just a little update to it. So at any rate, let's just real quickly, this is how riff 2 went. Oops, I guess I should hold it the correct way. I played both left and right-handed, sorry. So you're gonna go. I'm doing it really slowly, I know. Right, so you immediately are gonna be playing that little transition that I just played. So after you finish riff number 2, you're going down here to the A string and you're playing it open, 1, 2. Then you're gonna slide this finger quickly to 3 because you're gonna need it to be able to reach like this. If you just go like this, you're gonna be reaching with your pinky, which you could do, but it's actually a little bit harder. So just go like this. So if you watched my other video, you're here on 3rd fret, A string, and your 4th finger is, or 3rd finger, I'm sorry, I'm a piano player. Your 3rd finger here is on the 5th fret of your E string. So you're going back and forth between these two. Then you come up here to your C string in your 2nd fret. You're gonna pluck it once and slide it up to the 4th string. Then, and the reason we use that finger is because this one is now free to be on the C string, 3rd fret, and then open A. Okay, so you've gone from the transition and you're going to do the same thing again. Without the transition, without the little, that's just for the beginning. And then you're gonna, but your 2nd time. Now when you get here, don't do the slide from 2 to 4 up here, but go over here. And you can either play just 2 to 5 on your E string, or to get a little fancy, you're sliding up from 1 to 2 and then your 5th. So has a nicer sound. So and if we put those together, you end up with okay. And I think you do that twice. And then you're gonna immediately go into riff 4, but I'm gonna make that a different video.